I learnt that I can do things that I didn't think I would be able to do.
I was a bit sceptical of it at first, but once I got there, it was just a blast.
My first week at Googa was amazing. I loved every single part of it. It was such a different experience. It was absolutely amazing.
The solo, the 3-day hike, and the survival.
Our biggest challenge was probably hike, just because of the mental and physical side of it. But it was also one of the most enjoying as well.
I really enjoyed the communal lifestyle, surprisingly. Being able to work together with a really good bunch of girls and all striving for one goal, it was really empowering.
I loved the 3-day hike because by the end of it, our whole team was just having a blast and really encouraging everyone and just having a great time.
I probably learnt that I can do a lot more things than I thought I could.
As soon as I got there, I realised that it was just going to be one of the best months of my life.
One of my favourite things that I enjoyed most about Googa is all the activities and getting to know people really well and being able to trust them with all the things.
My favourite part of Googa was doing the hike.
It was way better than what I expected. I was really expecting that to be pretty fun, but having the experience and meeting the staff really made it an extra experience.
I learnt to be a lot more, I suppose, accepting of change and to give more things a go.
My friendships probably grew stronger because we were all together and we had to make it work.
Well, not having technology for a month was actually probably one of my highlights as well, because it just felt good to get away from it all.
I really loved hike. Like, it's kind of weird because like you walk and like no one likes walking, but the stories that I get to tell from it was hilarious.
My biggest highlight would probably be survival, just because of the, like I said, the challenge but also the fun side of it.